Hey guys, today I'm breaking down the difference between a PayPal business account and a personal account, so you can choose the right one for you. A personal PayPal account is best for everyday use, sending money to friends and family, online shopping, connecting to apps like Uber or Netflix. There are no monthly fees and it's easy to set up in minutes. A business PayPal account is made for entrepreneurs. It lets you send professional invoices, accept payments via card, PayPal, or PayPal Credit, add multiple users and business tools, connect with e-commerce platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. It also allows you to use your business name when charging customers instead of your personal one. So here's the deal. If you're just buying and sending money casually, stick with personal. But if you're running a business or taking payments professionally, go with business. It's free to open both and you can even upgrade later if needed.